Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace this GMC Yukon, Chevy Suburban, Chevy Tahoe and more key fob battery. The battery you will need is a CR2032 and you can click on the link below to get it online and a small flathead to take the battery out. Alright, so first we have to take the emergency key out by pressing this button right here. So I press and I pull. Once again, press and pull. Now I'll flip it over. As you can see, there is a small hole right here, so we have to insert and to push to pull up. Okay, so I insert a little bit and I pull up. Okay, no need to apply a lot of pressure. Let me show you again. Right here, just a little bit, and you pull. Do it gently. As you can see, this is the chip. We don't want to touch that too much, but if it moves you can put it back in just like that. Here is the battery. So now all we need is the flathead underneath and to take the battery out. As I said, 2032. This is a good battery. I will use it and put it back in. I press it back where it should be, making sure that here everything is okay. Yeah. Take the cover, put it back, emergency key, back in place, and that's it. You're good to go. No need to reprogram or anything like that. Please like this video and let us know what you think. Thank you very much.